Have you ever wondered how some people look young and healthy as they age, defying the passage of time? Meet 48-year-old Venus Moore, an exceptional lady who knows the secret to eternal youth. Now, while her diet is the key to the anti-aging mystery. So, stay tuned with us to learn about the exercise plan and the foods she continuously avoids to maintain her youthful charm. Venus Moore isn't just an average fitness enthusiast. She's a Los Angeles-based celebrity personal trainer, athletic strength and conditioning coach, and a fitness motivator. But what sets Venus apart is her ability to resist the passage of time. She's 48 years old, but has a youthfulness and physical strength that often stuns people. And she has an interesting backstory that shapes her path toward this ageless existence. Venus entered the entertainment industry as an actress and print model before becoming a personal trainer, but in 2010, she took a different turn, spurred on by her intense passion for exercise, pushing her to pursue her finest appearance. During this time, Venus found the connection between helping others reach the same level of achievement on their health journeys and her true mission. She started Body by Venus, an organization to give people on their health journeys the resources they need to find the best fitness and nutrition plan. Venus's regular schedule serves as evidence of her unwavering commitment. Her normal day starts with an early morning workout. Her exceptional daily exercise regimen is the secret to Venus's young beauty and limitless energy. Venus doesn't waste any time because she believes the day starts with the sun. She is a strong advocate for working out in the morning. She enters her gym as the dawn breaks, prepared to take on the day's difficulties. And her workout is a well-balanced symphony of aerobic, flexibility, and strength training. Each workout is precisely planned to test her limitations, stress her body, and keep her in the top physical shape that has become her signature. Venus recognizes the value of a vigorous warm-up. She performs many energizing exercises to contract her muscles and increase her heart rate. She frequently performs high knees, jumping jacks, purposeful arm swings, and static jogging. She prepares her body for the challenging workout with this 5 to 10 minute warm. In Venus's fitness routine, strength training is the main focus. Her top priority is gaining lean muscle mass. She builds her strength training program on squats, deadlifts, lunges, bench presses, and shoulder presses. Her commitment to customization is what makes Venus stand out. To provide a demanding yet reasonable workout, she adjusts the weights and reps to meet her current fitness level. She steadily increases the intensity as she advances, expanding her comfort zone. Another essential component of Venus's program is cardiovascular fitness. She combines interval training into her workouts to burn calories and improve her heart health. Her metabolism stays in top gear due to intense workouts and quick rest breaks. Whether sprinting, forceful kettlebell swings, mountain climbers, or explosive jump squats, Venus embraces passion and completes every task. Venus Moore finishes her workout as the sun rises higher in the sky, feeling refreshed and ready to welcome the day. Her passion for exercise and health goes beyond the gym. It's a lifetime commitment that keeps her vibrant, motivating, and youthful looking. Venus's eating routine is equally important in her quest for timeless beauty. Venus starts each day with a unique thermogenic tea that speeds up her metabolism. Infused with aloe and mixed with a vitamin C tablet, this drink builds her body for the day ahead. However, that's just the start. Venus chooses a tasty and healthy omelet as her first meal. Her omelet has a base of heavy cream and eggs, filling and full of protein. However, what distinguishes it are the vibrant veggies she sautés in grass-fed butter. Think of combining spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers to produce a flavorful and nutrient-dense dish. Adding shredded cheese and fresh herbs enhances this morning masterpiece, making Venus start her day on a high note. Venus is ready for another nourishing treat when it comes time for lunch. She frequently eats a tasty salad for lunch with grilled salmon or chicken on top. Fresh, mixed greens serve as the salad's base and are a good source of vitamins and minerals. Venus, however, goes above and beyond by adding a ton of low-carb vegetables such as cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. She creates a homemade vinaigrette from olive oil, vinegar, and herbs to bind everything together and give her salad a bright flavor and healthy properties. Venus keeps her dinner ketogenic as the day comes to a close. One of her favorite dishes is a flavorful steak cooked on the barbecue and served with roasted veggies. She chooses premium grass-fed beef and seasons it with herbs and spices to produce a delicious masterpiece. Venus makes sure the steak is delicious and healthy by cooking it perfectly. Venus's eating habits reflect her commitment to a clean diet. She fuels her body with whole organic foods to maintain her youthful beauty and limitless vitality. Venus strongly opposes junk food and promotes a clean diet. It's interesting that Venus Moore actively avoids 3 meals to preserve her vibrant health. At the top of Venus's list of foods to avoid are tempting, sizzling, deep-fried treats. Yes, we are referring to those delicious golden nuggets with a high calorie count, bad fats, and perhaps even inflammation. Venus knows that eating fried food may hinder her quest for eternal vigor. The next food is the sweet seducers, which attract with their sweet allure. While the occasional pleasure is acceptable, Venus would be wise to limit her sugar intake. She knows consuming too much sugar can result in energy slumps, early aging, and several health problems. Processed foods. Lastly, processed foods are the culprit items at the bottom of her do not eat list. These sneaky imposters frequently pose as quick and easy meals, but Venus knows better. Processed foods are not her partners on the road to eternal beauty because they include artificial ingredients and preservatives. Instead, she chooses wholesome, organic foods that feed her body. She claims that eating processed foods, fried foods, and sugar-filled sweets doesn't give your body the essential nutrients it needs and only contributes to unhealthy weight gain. Venus Moore consciously eliminates these three food categories from her diet to preserve her youthful beauty and general well-being. Venus is passionate about inspiring others to develop a sense of self-awareness, adjust macronutrient ratios as needed, and seek professional nutritionist advice to guarantee a balanced nutritional approach. Venus aims to inspire over 1 million people to find their inner greatness by positively impacting their health and fitness.
They'll start it, they'll feel good about it, and then halfway through, or maybe 30 days in, they'll start to feel a little bit discouraged.
Venus firmly believes maintaining consistency is the secret to obtaining visible and long-lasting health results. She knows that beginning a fitness journey can be intimidating, and people may occasionally feel discouraged, but she always tries to motivate people and tell them to believe in themselves to conquer the challenges of aging. Venus Moore's story shows that living a long, healthy, and fulfilling life is possible in such a tough life. Her experience shows that dedication to a healthy lifestyle and wholesome foods may open the door to a happy existence, and that there is always time to start this life-changing journey. Thanks for watching this video. If Venus Moore's anti-aging food advice and secrets to staying young inspired you, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.